During the holiday season, we often bring a number of things into our homes that could present a hazard to our family and to our children. When we look at a holiday tree such as this, it may look very nice, but there are a number of things on this tree that could present a hazard. When you look at these ornaments, for example, a number of them are made of glass or other material that may shatter if they drop on the ground. And these could present a choking hazard, a physical hazard, and some of them even contain some lead pigment paints that we need to worry about as well from a toxic exposure standpoint. So always remember that if we have these in our home, that we need to be very careful. If they do break, throw them away immediately, and if possible, try to keep them as high up on the tree as possible from young children. In addition, when we look at the tree itself, especially if we have a live tree inside of our home, we need to make sure that the tree at the roots, at the base, is kept as moist as possible. As the tree starts to dry out, it presents a fire risk. And these trees sometimes can go up in flames virtually at any time. And so we want to be very, very careful to make sure that these trees are well taken care of in the homes while we have them. In addition, we have a number of decorations on these trees that look very, very nice, but also could present a hazard as well. A number of these products, such as this tinsel, contain material that sometimes is painted with lead-based paint, depending on where they are imported from, and that can present a hazard to young children as well. In addition, the tinsel itself and even the needles can fall off and present choking hazards to children as well. So make sure we're very mindful of our trees and what we put on them. Another substance that we may put on our trees or on other areas of the house are substances like this, which are artificial snow. And these, again, are decorations that may look very, very nice, but can be dangerous to young children as well. If children go up to this substance and they ingest it, they could have nausea, vomiting, possibly even diarrhea, and that presents a hazard to young children. In addition, the air and the gases inside of this canister can pose a risk to young children as well. So if you use a substance like this, try not to use it around young children, and also make sure that no child is ever using this spray canister itself. For any more questions, please call us at California Poison Control, 1-800-222-1222.